Wow, 2 videos in one day. I might even get a third in. In this video, welcome to Drive with Care, by the way. In this video, I'm going to go from Folkestone West up to the Battle of Britain Memorial in Capel-Le-Ferne. A couple of roundabouts, a very steep hill with a passing lane, that kind of stuff. So let's go. We'll see some hazards, we'll see things for observation, just the usual stuff, you know, when you're driving. And it's really just about remembering all the things that we do as a driver, letting other people know our intentions. So indicate out the station, nothing coming from the right, and join the traffic queues. He indicated the whole time, and then when he drives off, he turns his indicators off. And that's the power of YouTube editing. You don't have to sit at a roundabout with me, or traffic lights with me, for minutes and minutes and minutes. Okay, so the Mini, I think, is going right. What do you think? And we're off. Quick look on both directions as you cross the lights. You never know if someone's running a light. Intentionally or by accident, you know, distracted, just ran the red light, crash. So we're now entering a 40 zone. Road narrow signs. Set of traffic lights ahead. I have no doubt that they will go red before we get there. Yeah, there we go. So the next roundabout I want to go right. It's a strange one, this, because there's a filter lane. There's a lane that goes left, but it's off this lane. That's Castle Hill on the right there. Used to have a Roman fort up there. So into my lane, I've got my indicators on. Nothing to the right, so on we go. Indicate off. That was easy, wasn't it? Again, another roundabout coming up. Right-hand lane if you're going into the industrial estate, and left-hand lane if you're carrying on. Two-way traffic sign. Double white, solid whites. That's what it is, isn't it? Solid white. Courses indicating. T-Rock indicated off. It's good news. Sugarloaf Hill up ahead. There's a lot of these nice hills at the end of the North Downs here. Ideal for photography. Little link, top left-hand corner. Did some night photography up on those hills. So broken whites into a solid white, because we've got a bend. You don't want to be overtaking on a bend, right? And then solid white for both sides. So the roundabout ahead offers 2 lanes in a minute. We've got a guy fixing his load on his roof. Looks like that's coming loose. I'll slip into the left lane, although I'm going straight across, because, you know, right-hand lane for the right-hand junction. Nothing to my right, off we go. What's the guessing? The T-Rock is going ahead, but will he indicate? Yes, he will. God. seasoned driver, I reckon. Now this is a dual carriageway, however, and it's not signposted, it's 30 miles an hour. So you can be confused and think, dual carriageway, let's do 70. Okay, he's going right. It's great when people indicate, you know exactly what they're doing. There's no guesswork. Could change his mind at the last minute and go right across. However, he made his intentions clear. Right, we're going up this steep hill to Capel, 40 mile an hour zone. It's dual carriageway, it looks like dual carriageway. The road narrows ahead, but actually this side of the road stays as 2 lanes all the way to the top. Because it's a steep hill and you're going to get a crawler lane, right? You get stuck behind a truck coming up here. Could be painful. Tight bend, I can't assume it's clear. You know, someone could break down. And block the road. Single file traffic ahead. Tight bend with junction on the bend. 110 yards. Chevron's indicating a tight bend because it's so easy to gather up the momentum and speed coming up the hill. You can forget that you're still only doing 40. And then we're into Capel-Le-Ferne. That was easy, wasn't it? I'm going to pull in at the Battle of Britain Memorial and conclude the video there. Car behind me, just let him know what I'm doing. Slide into the lane. Completely straight, not at an angle. Some people do that. Hey ho. Come on, let's go in here. Uneven road, but perfect for doing some off-road in my 4x4. Speed bumps, slow. Am I supposed to be slow, or are the speed bumps slow? Or am I just being silly? Whee! Let's stop with a view of the English Channel. And there you have it. Folkestone up to Capel-Le-Ferne. Not too many hazards. Did you see anything that I didn't see? Drop me a comment, perhaps you did. Thanks for watching, bearing with. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now, and drive with care.